212. I go by the name Watu Moto the General, aka Social Media President, aka Political General, aka Massive Mayor. First time I hear me do I a teacher one-on-one as well. Best subscribe and leave you comment. Now I share. Shall I say you made a one-on-one with your upcoming artists? Smallest time, you better call a big ones. But for now, we're doing it for one of young ones. To upcoming one, link up. Now, you need to be my what I say. Once again, I go by the name Watu Moto the General, your favorite MC's favorite. What I say. And then Masaka Kofa one-on-one there, but said that I'm catching the cup Kumayana General Kokuna, but and I am Kokuna, mini penty, and Chebakuni Parone, Wako G, and Numas, what I say. Senator came as a stability. I won't tell you on our so much 247 within the Jumajina will look to our front to Bronco Junction. But see, we did billions of city score. He's ever ready to pay because of say, or could them be a motion, Mr. Adams, Mr. Frank, and a hot, almost one of them, and comedian, and come. And the boy Pierre get up, then not chunk. Oh, that the general, the Yabakoni. My phone, and Winnie Papa, and then chunk.
McKen Dappy, and I'm here with the general. Welcome to the general.
Dappy.
It's a pleasure.
Dappy. Rebecca said Dappy, we had them bad, yeah, we are wine. Momu Papa.
Okay, T. Metonium.
Okay.
I'm a rapper, I'm a singer.
Okay.
I do Afrobeat, hip hop, and I do a little bit of gospel rap too.
Okay, Dappy, Momu, little of gospel, little of Afrobeat, generally,
So I'll start with the gospel.
Okay, let's go.
Many demons surround us, but dear God, it was your grace that found us. They tried to make us slave, but you crowned us. You made us kings and queens, you gave your son, he lived a life exemplary. He brought us love and peace, and all indeed above my sins, you keep on loving me. Many times that I tried to leave, but you call me back. Something they worry me, something they bother me. Every night I wake up and I pray. Demons be calling me, haters be texting me.
That's the gospel side, eh? Let's enter the Afrobeat small. Do some Afrobeat for me.
A certain fire being burning in my soul. I dey feel and say that time I did grow. And I tell myself for one more. And I tell myself for one more. Hold up. God they so darsh. I clear, I'm focused. My body hold up. God they so darsh. I clear, I'm focused.
Dappy, you are in Ghana. I want to do Afrobeat. Over here this time, because Ghana the any high life. What I say, Afrobeat is for Nigerians. How are you going to do this thing?
Sure. With Afrobeats, I think the basics come from high life.
Okay.
So we can blend a little bit of
high life
and Afrobeat. So it's not a problem.
Okay. Dappy, your first ever time I will studio. Next studio.
I'll say it was a friend of mine, Yauki from SHS.
Where is it located?
Kujia in Tech.
Yeah.
Okay, Kuti.
Right now, it's still doing the engineering stuff again.
Yeah, he's also an engineer / rapper.
Okay. He to be musician. He rap. Okay. So how was the feel like? Friend, no recording. How was the feel?
It was great. The environment was very welcoming. The pressure was a bit down.
Low because I know he's your friend, so I remember no matter that for mama.
Exactly. But aside then, I think my second time was at I've forgotten the location.
Okay.
By Stitches.
Stitches, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Stitches. I think you hear.
Yeah, I've heard his name.
Yeah,
Stitches. Big up to you, bro.
Yeah. So I started recording at Stitches and then recently I met Joy.
Okay.
And then
Hey.
I'm here now.
Okay, to young compare from one casa unipano uba Stitches bar OP. Difference menu.
I must say personally I've seen a lot of growth and then I've learned a lot from each one of them. Yeah. So Yauki, gave me that platform and then at least he gave me that opportunity to have a feel of the recording. Stitches also took it to another level. Same with Joy. So they all helped.
Two said that you back was really or say home, but at the end of the day, play. Farm based so the growth war engineering stuff. Farm based in Israel. Have you seen any growth?
Alright, so mostly we go for SHS programs. Yeah, and then the reception is always good. The reception is always good too. I think for the SHS aspect, I have a lot of people there. And then it's the same people who go to tertiary.
That's it.
Exactly.
And then later they will come on the street.
Exactly. So I think it's a good start for them.
Okay, how about the family, your own family? Are they supporting the movement? Because most of the times I ask these questions and people will go like, I don't know, my personal question. Family support too, I forget it. Bro, how is the family supporting this thing?
Initially, my mom, it came as a shock to her.
Sound
perfect. But eventually, we recorded the first track, you know. Her problem was so my mom is very particular about my lyrics. The words I use. Exactly, because on person because so from my mom's side, she's supporting 100%.
Based on your content.
Exactly.
If it is on point and if it is not profane,
she's okay with it. But daddy side, you know, almost school.
Daddy, Dappy, music day inside him body. Allah, for the education there, you see, I'm a bright person, you understand? Or I don't know, but Allah make you do the practical too, you understand? Dappy, for now, artists Ben who start to carry on when you're at the meeting, only be at to you one.
I've had the privilege of, you know, working with B-Strap.
Hey, Beast.
Yeah, and then
one great guy.
He's serious. We actually recorded a song some time ago, but it's been long. Okay. Probably, hopefully, one day we'll get to link up and create something magical.
Beast. At that time, Seth, you were able to do something with him. Now, do magic with him, eh?
Sure.
Because I know say you go fit do something for my brother Dappy.
Sure.
It's Dappy. A quite best now share beef those days.
Alright, so we are okay.
Okay, you're engineer.
Yeah, we went to Stitches and so we were there and Stitches was playing a couple of songs. I was like, Stitches, why you good though? I was like,
okay, so Stitches was playing B-Strap songs
those times.
Those days.
What people don't know is the songs he has there.
Plenty songs where
we are not here to talk about
your mindset.
So I was like, he's good though. I was like, oh, he comes around.
One day.
Yeah. He called me one time that, oh, Sharp is around. Fast. I went there.
Yalla Habibi.
I already had songs there. So I was like, boss, we there. That's me disaster one year. So he actually did. And then one of the songs, he liked it so much that he kept reminding me, boy, maintain verses. No, I like it.
Don't touch anything.
That's how crazy good he is.
Yeah.
So we left it that way. And unfortunately, I don't know if the song is still with Stitches, but I didn't get there.
Okay, I see.
But hopefully, we can create magic.
I know, Beast. Like he said, hopefully, better days ahead. Those days, no Kwana say, if I say on Kwana on your heart, you yourself, Kwana will be on your heart. But for now, the hardness now, you strap your one artist, I believe in him. I don't lie you. Please try and do some magic with Dappy, and I know through you, Dappy too can be somebody. Understand? Dappy, for now, how do you see our music industry for now?
From where I stand, I think there's competition, but then if you believe in yourself, competition shouldn't be a problem.
100%. If you believe in yourself, competition shouldn't be a problem.
Because it will be hard in your name. So if you are good, you think you are good with what you have, it shouldn't be a problem.
So you don't care about anybody right now. You are here to do your own stuff.
Exactly.
Okay. For now, I think this trap the only share one. Currently, artists being one-on-one, so the next studio. I only say, Father, really, I've been wanting and I've been dying to meet you one-on-one. Artists being never been maybe to my head.
Oh, sure. Undoubtedly, as every young rapper coming up, Sarkodie is always our.
Yes!
Exactly. Undoubtedly, regardless.
Landlord!
Yes. And then I also have a lot of admiration for Manifest as well.
Oish!
And then when we go to the foreign aspect, Lecrae.
Hey, man, you see, I said earlier, you see, I'm saying, the person where you get mine. Sure. See the artists where they mention their names. Okay. Hopefully, like you said, in this trap thing. Hopefully, we'll work with these people one day. One day, Dappy. I swear to God, one day, this thing, it will be easy.
Sure.
And you go like, a day was like, I was dying to meet these people. So how come? And they be strapped. You see how come of us will be this out there.
Serious.
But those days, they be an uncle. You catch a square beast. You be just a good crown. You know what's a good one.
One thing I admire about Beast, we were in the studio one time. I don't know if you remember this, okay? But he also had a lot of admiration for Osekum.
Yeah.
So he kept telling Stitches and I that Osekum menene beyenyo. That was then. He was like menene beyenyo. So when it happened, I wasn't surprised.
And see how it came.
Exactly, I wasn't surprised.
It's one of our biggest tunes right now.
Exactly, Fly Girl, it's serious. It's serious, so I'm not surprised. So,
okay, so Bistrap was dying to meet Osekum. I see.
So he has given me strong belief because I've been with him before.
1-1.
And then where he is now, I admire it a lot. So Bistrap, shout out to you for making me believe in the fact that it is possible.
Wow, Dappy. Mamu who versus me because come on, I am the Mamu who versus me. Dappy. Let them know who you be. Let them know.
I'll have to
Dappy. I know everything because conversation and they will come and go because of this.
Exactly.
I know. So, what does only beast or contact?
I actually changed my phone, but if I want to, I can get it. I just believe at the right time we meet.
Yeah, the right time will come.
At the right time we meet.
Dappy, in school, can you take us through?
Alright, so I actually started school from Boga, and I moved to Accra.
Okay, let me come here. Are you a Northerner?
I'm a Northerner. So Dappy is actually my surname shortened.
Okay.
So
Break
the
it down
full
for
name
us.
is Dapila.
Dapila.
Exactly. So to find the stage name, it wasn't difficult.
So let's go back to school.
So from Boga, moved to Accra. I was very young, so I've forgotten the names of the school. But came to Kumasi, started Salvation. That's it. Okay. That was my primary. And then JHS, King Liu, South.
Okay.
And then for SHS, CAS, Disciple. And then that's where Trap also completed.
Oh. Yes. So like I said, when the trap, the Mamu.
Exactly. And Stitches to the producer. But unfortunately, I never met Trap
in school.
It was Stitches I once saw him. That's the irony of life. Like, you don't know these are the people you are going to meet.
I was coming to say, I could follow Papa say, one coming in and a boy crammed. That's life, ain't not to treat people.
Exactly. And for tertiary, I completed UDS.
Okay. Brilla, na mimi jina sana. Brilla. Enti Dappy. We school no mom ne dada nye say masa ma focus nya school ko ye nyonyonyom bia.
For mom, she wanted me to explore, do a little bit of music, go into work and other stuff. But for that,
Oluma she
one friend get for school so
can call lawyer be near.
Exactly, but maybe I can so one day.
Oluma for why you but I was going to keep. Dappy. One of your biggest inspiration or admire you?
I wouldn't say just one person, because a lot of people inspire me. I keep mentioning Trap's name because I've
sat down with him one-on-one. You know where he's coming from.
Obviously, an inspiration to me. Obviously, an inspiration, and then definitely Trap with me.
Landlord.
And then for the singers as well, I admire Fia a lot.
Hey, Nocturnal, right?
I admire her a lot.
And the new Ghana new
all these people inspire me.
I see. So, then I Ghana for Ninyama. Honey, any alcohol. Then I Ghana for you.
So I am King Dappy, an up and coming artist, and then I would like for you all to support me massively, and then trust me, I am not going to disappoint you when it comes to delivering good and songs that will last long.
Dappy, your social media handle.
Alright, so on Instagram, I'm King Dappy, Facebook, King Dappy, Twitter, King Dappy. So,
Dappy, are we promoting one song right now, or we are still in the studios?
We are still in the studio.
I prefer those ones rather than be coming out quick without anything. You understand? Be one thing, papa, so bad, but Inya daji. Well, him say, and you to a country. It's a journey that we are embarking on. Me don't see it to be like, hey, see, I also me blue. Hey, ask yourself. There have been a lot of names. Abba, ask it. Where are they now? I'm about to hate. I can say they are no more. Until you just give yourself time. I know that in the catch them say, and you to them, I'm more fun to say, hey, part time. Also fun to say, a main business. You know, this is a banker. This is a teacher. Said yeah, almost sort of called man. Also sort of called man. Opa in the studio. Understand? See, my mom fan say me ye be now. What I say? That me a day for you. I know say one day everything will happen. Like understand?
General.
Dappy.
General.
Dappy. I love you. Smallest time will happen. Yeah. I go by the name what too much to generate social media. Peke come maximum Jack. Mr. Ramo. See me bunko to generate ya, Mr. Ramo. I keep on telling you guys, we support the young ones. Because you have future. These are our future. You understand? So we support you. You go by the name Ken Dappy on all the social media platforms. Go follow him and come and thank me one day. Understand? I'm out.